call Varun Dhawan on stage right now and let him shake a leg on freaking first class. Woo!
अच्छा मेरे को लगा कुछ बोलने के लिए बोला है मुझे लगा कुछ बोलने के लिए बोला है
Guys, thank you so much for joining me. Everybody loves you, Varun. I love you, Aditya. That is not embarrassing at all. It's not, right? It's not. Cool. Get yourself a mic so you can actually answer. Huh.
That's good, that's good.
That's good, no? That's comforting. Great. Yaar, okay, Alia, I have to ask you. You must have been given a brief कि गाना है घर मोरे परदेसिया. Picturize हुआ है माधुरी जी के साथ. What was your हालत like in that moment?
Well, I had one very important question कि क्या मैं माधुरी मैम के साथ डांस कर रही हूँ और अभिषेक ने कहा नहीं तो मैंने कहा ठीक है he's like but she'll be there standing the whole time watching you
Judging you.
so no watching judging is a bit of a negative emotion but I would say watching me and then I said okay I don't know what's worse because having Madhuri ma'am just standing there looking at me or the fact that I may dance with her and it's okay then even nobody's going to look at me anyway so it's okay I probably just run with it but ma'am was very 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 kind very supportive constantly telling me how to spot remember when I had to take those spins whenever I needed to spot she said look at me don't worry and I'll just spot here
That's the hardest part looking at you ऐसे कितना nervousness होगा but she really brought out the whole adaएं and itrana and all that in you I've never seen even that avatar before.
Well, honestly, it's the song and all credit goes to the way it was shot and everything.
Fabulous. And what did you have to critique on Alia's performance?
There's no critique. I think I was enjoying myself watching her. It was a surprise that she was doing like a classical number और इतना अच्छे तरीके से कर रहे थे and I was like surprised. I said, wow, that's great. Because she put her heart and soul into it. I think you rehearsed for it. And it all showed and it's so beautiful. The song is beautiful and it's celebratory and everybody's happy and she's smiling and she's just looking beautiful.
Let's have the song. I think this is the moment we need to play that song Ghar More Pardesiya in the house right now. Thoda bahut.
I'm not done.
Little bit. Look at that. Look at that. Thodu sa. I'll back you up. Alia is such a sport. यार मैं हाथ ऊपर करूं म्यूजिक थोड़ी काम कर दो म्यूजिक गाइस कोई चलती नहीं मेरे यहाँ पे बस हो गया all done All right, this was beautiful. Thank you for being such sports, you guys. मचा दिया एकदम यहाँ पे. थोड़ी पेट पूजा कर लें, because we're not half bad
हाँ यार,
hosts.
हम लोग को बिल्कुल कुछ खाना नहीं ऑफर किया आप
है
लोगों
ना,
ने.
बस बुला दिया,
क्यों?
नचा
हाँ.
दिया है.
बहुत भूख. आप लोगों को कुछ खाना वाना दिया? क्या दिया? बस. अच्छा अच्छा.
Great.
अरे तो हम लोग को भी कुछ दे दो ना. हम लोग
अरे
सुबह से
स्टार्स को
निकले.
हमेशा मिलता रहता है, अभी क्या देंगे हमें?
स्टार्स को कुछ
अरे
नहीं
यार,
देते,
यार,
सिर्फ गाली.
I'm kidding.
ओह नाइस. ये
Take one, पेपर प्लेट में.
ये पाव है पर वड़ा नहीं है इसके अंदर.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
चटनी है पाव में चटनी
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
हाँ ये क्या?
नहीं.
अरे
छोटा है, चलेगा वड़ा चाहिए ना
तुमको भी. You all have got पाव बगैर.
चटनी पाव
That's how we roll, guys. That's how we roll. और कुछ आ रहा है? बस there's
अच्छा, कुछ
only
और तो दे दो ना.
savory stuff. There's no
vada
sweet.
leaf pav.
Do we have any? मतलब, let's see if we get the other one right.
I'm off a diet, so I don't mind having something. sweet.
Guys, और कुछ है ही नहीं, budget में और कुछ था ही नहीं. So this is all you're gonna get. But have you come to realize that you cannot possibly have vada without pav, right? Like,
Yeah,
what is
exactly.
even going on?
या
Exactly like that. Mumbai के बगैर जग्गू तराना नहीं हो सकता है. We have Jaggu Tarana in the house joining the studios of 104.8 ish. Let's just call them on stage.
You're listening to Jaggu and Tarana on 104.8 Ishq.
आपको माइक मिला?
You're listening to Jaggu and Tarana on 104.8 Ishq.
Jaggu and Tarana. Hello, my dear. Thank you so much for joining the Ishq family. Appa colleagues बन चुके हैं. और क्या? It's going to be fun. Take a seat. Let's get the ball rolling for the entire team of Kalank. Let's give it up for the team of Kalank and Jaggu Tarana.
Also, thank you
And
for
bye.
the excitement. I mean, there's like Alia, there's Madhuri ji, there's Varun, there's Adi, and then we were the grand reveal. Wow. Okay. Thank you for the excitement.
Jaggu, hold on. Thank you very much. यार पीछे जा.
Okay, once again, thank you very much. This opportunity is absolutely fabulous. It's also surreal to be here, being launched at the same time as with them. Thank you.
मैं सच बोल दूं, it's a very big deal for us also. जग्गू और तराना बहुत ही आइकॉनिक पेयर है रेडियो के, जो हम सब ने कभी ना कभी अपने जिंदगी में सुना है इन लोगों को. They went off radio. You all have been on a hiatus for how long now?
Quite a few years.
See, it boils down to revealing ages. So we're trying to avoid. No, but you're right. It's been years. It's been
Alia
years.
was in school when we stopped.
We've discussed how I was 9 years old.
When we started, you
But-
were about 8 or 9.
Were you in school when you were 8 or 9 or?
Now, obviously, I was in
You
school
started acting at what age?
when I was 18, 17.
No, your launch was not then, no? Your actual launch. Sangha, oi.
No, you.
Sangharsh.
हाँ, stop lying.
I forgot about
What
it.
they
Debut,
call
हाँ.
child artist.
I was
Huh.
6.
So 6 साल की उम्र में she stopped school then.
What rubbish?
हाँ, she became an actor. She was a working
Yeah,
actor.
poll खोल रहा है, or should I just sit on him?
Yeah, you should sit on
I
him,
think you
Jaggu.
should sit
I
on him
should
and then
sit on-
never get up.
You'll notice now.
Who?
Always in any panel, I will always be the largest.
अच्छा, you said you. I thought you were saying you come and sit on me. I was like,
So Kalank, we've seen the trailer, we've seen all the songs. Where is the song with you dancing in it? Where is the song with the two of you dancing together? When do we get to see that?
so.
मार्केटिंग हेड विल आंसर.
That would be Varun.
No, I think it's Alia also. But why don't you say
Yes.
what's next?
Honestly, Madhuri ma'am's song is a very, very special song in the film. And also for us, because it's Madhuri ma'am and Saroj ma'am collaborating after a really long time. And it is, I think that, and it is, I have to say, one of my favorite songs. It's one of my favorite songs in the albums. Like, I play that song first always every morning. I listen to the whole album. And Madhuri ma'am's song I
And-
play first.
But
Have you
Saroji
picked-
herself is
Or
quite
Ga-
excited about it. She's been, well, after a long time
Yeah.
actually talking to the press.
Yeah,
and,
yeah.
So actually, it's
but
been
it was a
fabulous.
very big deal, and I was there in that moment as well. Actually, when Saroj ma'am came on set to see the set when they were going to discuss, and I just saw the energy between the two of them. It was so beautiful.
I just want to know, Ki, you said you listen to the song a lot because even I listen to it a lot. What do you do when you listen to the song? What are you doing usually?
What do you mean?
Matlab, when you're hearing the song, what are you doing most of the
Singing?
time? No, because it's called तबाह हो गए. So मतलब usually मैं जब नहा रहा हूँ तो मैं गाने सुनता हूँ, but तबाह हो गए.
I can listen to when I'm in the car, when I'm like, when I'm doing my hair and makeup, when I'm in the shower, whenever I want.
I'm going to listen to it when I work out because it's called तबाह हो गए. और जब मैं बहुत सारे sets कर रहा हूँ, मैं बस वो गाना गाऊँगा.
You know, that's so interesting. We put it out on Insta just a couple of hours ago that Varun's physique gets better and better with every movie. And I don't have a movie to watch, but I've seen the trailers and I know this is you and me, but oh my God! Well done.
It's a very intimate moment we've just
It
shared.
was a very intimate.
No,
Yes,
but
Varun's physique is lovely, but coming back to the song,
Yeah.
it is out on the 9th.
we hope गाना
that's the next
out होने
song.
वाला
तबाह हो
है
गए.
9th of April. बहुत बड़ा गाना है. सरोज खान, माधुरी दीक्षित back after how many years, ma'am?
I think 5-6 years. I worked with her in Gulab Gang. She did one of my songs in Gulab Gang. And after that, we are working on this movie, on this song. I think it's a beautiful song. It's sad. It's got some lovely beats, and there's a lot of heart in the song because the story is also going on and coming to a head, and you know. So there are a lot of elements in the song which kind of adds to it.
I want to ask a dance related question. मुझे पूछना है कि आपने रिहर्सल कितने दिनों के लिए की मैम इसके लिए, ये गाने के लिए?
30 minutes, probably.
नहीं, मैं हमेशा रिहर्स करती हूँ अपने सॉन्ग्स के पहले, और इसके लिए मैंने आई थिंक आई रिहर्स फॉर 2-3 days for this song. Yeah.
No, but there is one portion in the song, ma'am, which I think we should talk about over here since we're all here, where you do some chakkars.
Oh, I'm
I think we should discuss that because that
It's a long-
was just like it just blew our mind. How many chakkars have you taken in this?
I didn't count how many checkers I did, but it was a coda जो चलता रहता है. And we thought, how do we make it different dance wise? Because उसमें we could have done a lot of other things, but then it becomes very common. So we thought, why not just take different kind of chakkars there are in dance in Kathak. So we have done like different chakkars in that continuously, like in one shot.
Yeah,
So
for whole one shot.
yeah, so it was nice, it was fun, and it's always wonderful working with Sarojji because I think we share a lovely rapport. I understand her, and I think she shoots women. Like when she works with women, there's no way. I mean, she just makes the woman look beautiful, and it was wonderful working with her again.
But you know, just literally from the trailers, and only just to the extent that we can get to see what is there in the trailers, and from what's being said all over the place, we're looking at a story of eternal love. Okay? Just bigger picture. You think eternal love now actually exists? Tinder का ज़माना है, dating apps का ज़माना है. Does eternal love even exist? As a philosophical question.
Varun will be best suited to answer this question.
No, Adi, I feel you have some nice deep thoughts to say about eternal love.
Yeah,
You
let
must
us know.
add a few
What's your
words.
point of view on that?
My point of view on eternal love is I wasn't how do I know how it was back then? So I don't know if I have any perspective on this. I feel love, the emotion is still felt the same today as it might have been felt 100 years ago. I don't think any changes in technology or anything in that can change what that feeling is. Of course, society has changed and we have so many more choices, and it gets maybe things change around, but love is the same, no?
I think definitely प्यार होता है. I think हमारी जो फिल्म है वो एक्सप्लेन करता है. आई थिंक एन आर्टिस्ट लाइक माधुरी दीक्षित जो इतने सालों से काम कर रही है, उनको अपने आर्ट के तरफ आर्ट के प्रति इतना प्रेम है कि इतने सालों के बाद भी वो काम इतनी शिद्दत से कर रही है, इतनी लगन के साथ कर रही है, दैट शी कैन स्टिल कम बैक एंड गिव अ एब्सोल्यूट बेस्ट एंड लुक अ एब्सोल्यूट बेस्ट, एंड दैट्स ओनली लव फॉर द आर्ट. And I think
eternal love
that's
for art.
eternal love. That's
Yes.
eternal love.
I would like to say one thing related to love, and also since we spoken about Madhuri ma'am's song which is called Tabaa, कि अक्सर लोग मोहब्बत में तबाह हो जाते हैं, लेकिन कुछ लोग अपनी तबाही में भी मोहब्बत ढूंढ लेते हैं. कलंक मोहब्बत की कहानी है, तबाही की नहीं.
Wow. Well done. Fantastic segue.
So in the trailer, you say बर्बाद हो जाओगी and
बर्बाद हो जाओगी, दर्द के अलावा और कुछ नहीं दे सकता.
दर्द के अलावा और कुछ नहीं दे
ये
सकता.
मैंने पहली बार जब मैं आलिया को मिला था, मैंने तभी भी कहा था.
So
उसको.
in real life, if that was ever the proposition to either one of you, would you say yes?
Oh God.
Like, don't be in love with me, don't be foolish. But I mean, the movie is encouraging you to yes, why not? It is a...
जब प्यार होता है तो आप कभी सोचते नहीं हो ना, आप ज्यादा सोचते नहीं हो कि गलत क्या है सही क्या है. ये अग्री भी कर रहा है मेरे साथ. हाँ, अभी हुआ है तेरे को.
क्योंकि जब होता है तो फिर आप सोचते नहीं हो जब प्यार होता है जो गलत है जो सही है. बट मैं बहुत लोगों को कहना चाहता हूँ कि जो हमारी फिल्म है ये बहुत सारी चीज़ों के साथ डील करते हैं, नॉट ओनली इटर्नल लव. बहुत सारे, क्योंकि जो फिल्म है इट्स बेस्ड इन 1940s के दौरान बेस्ड है ये फिल्म. तो बहुत सारे चीज़, माहौल अलग था हमारे देश का उस वक्त, तो बहुत सारे चीज़ हो रहे थे उस वक्त. तो जो बलराज चौधरी का कैरेक्टर जो संजय दत्त सर निभा रहे, इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. कुणाल खेमू भी है हमारे फिल्म में, ही हैज़ अ वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग रोल इन द फिल्म. आदि जो कह रहे हैं, वी शोन वन फैसेट ऑफ हिज कैरेक्टर अभी ट्रेलर में, बट बहुत सारे दूसरे भी चीज़ें, व्हाट हिज रिलेशनशिप ही शेयर्स विद सोनाक्षी, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ रिलेशनशिप ही शेयर्स विद आलिया इन द फिल्म, वो सारी चीज़ें अभी तक बाहर नहीं आए हैं.
Yeah, and they were exploring different relationships. Not, it's like he said, it's love, but love is not only a love that a man feels for a woman. Yeah. It's what you feel for your family, for other things. So that's what the film is exploring it in its entirety.
You know, I'm seeing, from what I've seen on the trailers, a love quadrangle. Can you just elaborate on what I'm seeing?
No,
Because
we
I'm-
can't elaborate.
I'm little bit confused. I mean,
You should be.
so no.
No, see, the word I would use is intrigued and
Okay.
not confused.
And quadrangle is correct or
So
rectangle? or
whatever
what is it?
angle, that I feel like the only angle one should pay attention to is the 17th April angle, which you will see in the theatre.
Madhuri ji, we have to ask you, what drew you to Kalank? What made you say, हाँ, ये इसमें मुझे काम करना है?
Well, a lot of things happened. You know, Sri Devi was supposed to do this role. Sriji was supposed to do it, and you know, she passed away. And then they came to me and they said, you know, please do this role, ma'am. So so I listened to it, and I think it was a very emotional thing for me because you know, with Sriji, it has been a long. We've not been like been associated all the time. You know, ever since my career started, and there was always an association in some way or the other between us, whether it was comparison or whether it was, you know, saying that these are the two headliners for women in the industry, or you know, those. So it was a very emotional point for me, and I thought, okay, why not? You know, it's a great script. We have Varun and Alia and Aditya and everyone in the film. So I thought it would be a great role. Also, Bahar Begum, uska jo role hai, she's a very recluse kind of a person, and very different from the roles I've portrayed so far. And she always holds the cards very close to her heart, and she never really gives in to anyone. And she's quite because some things that some decisions that she took in her life were like, maybe she regrets them or whatever, but that's the way she is, and I thought it was very intriguing. The character is very intriguing in the movie.
The character looks intriguing. The trailer definitely looks intriguing, and I'm very happy with the way you guys are handling these without revealing too much. Like it's an art to reel us in, because you're like, oh, and then you're like, okay, 17.
नहीं, वो इनके वजह से है, क्योंकि जब भी मैं कुछ बोलना चाहता हूँ तो ये जो बड़ी बड़ी आँखें हैं और भी बड़े हो जाते हैं, और मुझे ऐसे घूरते तो मैं ऐसे ही नीचे देखता हूँ फिर.
So we have no
I'll
choice
let
but
you
to wait
talk
for the
about
17th.
two things.
सीखी हमने सब कुछ ना सीखी दुनियादारी, हम हैं अनाड़ी.
Alia, was it scary to dance with her in front of her? Did it?
In front. I'm going to say it time and again, in front. It was a bit nerve-wracking. But I was honestly nervous about the whole thing altogether. The fact that Madhuri ma'am will be there, the fact that it's a classical number, the fact that I've never done any classical Indian dancing in my life. My body language is very, you know, the opposite of graceful according to me. So it was the whole experience of it that was a bit scary. But to be honest, I love things that scare me.
Right.
And I really believe that if there is something one should do, is like do something that scares you a little every day. And this whole experience scared me a lot. So I think I have done my scary bits for quite some time. But I really learnt a lot as a human being, as an actor, as a performer, as everything. Just going through the process of the song.
Yeah, no, and now that was rehearsed and then you did shot it. And today you actually did like Kathak for us. And Chakkar Vagera also. That was amazing.
It's just
Wasn't she
this one
amazing?
hook which I can do in my sleep.
Achha,
Because
yes.
I did it so many times. So it's like something like that. I remember Varun and I were promoting even Student of the Year. We had done Disco Divane so many times that no matter what happened, he just used to...
एक्चुअली ड्यूरिंग स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर हम लोग ने एक चीज सीख लिया था करण सर से कि अगर आपने खुद के गाने पे नहीं नाचा ना तो कोई और नाच लेगा, क्योंकि जितना करण साहब ने राधा पे नाचा है उतना आई थिंक आलिया और मैंने भी नहीं नाचा है.
And I told Karan, I said, now you're going to take Ghar More Pardesia also from me.
नो एक्चुअली मेरा डिमांड है ये कि क्योंकि करण सर एक जज भी है और वो होस्ट भी करते हैं शोज, कि वो उनका वर्जन घर मोरे परदेसिया का कब आ रहा है. मैं वो मतलब बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहा हूँ उसका. जरूर आएगा, डिमांड करना आप लोग. बट एक और चीज का खुलासा मैं करना चाहता हूँ आज की. एक तरफ है माधुरी दीक्षित और दूसरी तरफ है आदित्य रॉय कपूर. इनका भी गाना एक आ रहा है अभी नेक्स्ट.
दोनों नाच रहे साथ में.
हाँ,
हाँ, but that's not released as yet. And
You're doing this. You're doing this in a very shady way. एक तरफ there is Madhuri Dixit and then there's Aditya. ऐसे मत कर
because
यार. क्या यार, it's not
it's only
fair.
down from there. No,
No, it's most certainly is not.
I'm on his side right now.
no. But he was a great help on the sets of that song also. He was my Sarojji actually on that.
There you go.
He really
There
helped
you
me
go.
and kind of pulled me through.
Listen, we're going to throw questions open to the press, but just before we do, Varun, tell us about your jacket.
My jacket.
Yes.
Yeah, it's really cool.
सो मैं एक्चुअली शूटिंग कर रहा था लंदन में एंड कलंक का जो टीजर था इट हैड जस्ट कम आउट, तो जफर तब इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ था किसी को. एंड ऑन द लास्ट डे व्हेन आई वाज लीविंग फैन हैड मेड दिस जैकेट. आई हैड मेट दिस गर्ल एक्चुअली, शी इज नॉट अ फैन, आई मेट हर थ्रू अपार शक्ति एंड शी हैड जस्ट सीन द टीजर एट नाइट एंड शी इज एन आर्ट स्टूडेंट ओवर देयर. एंड उन्होंने ये जैकेट पेंट करके एक्चुअली बना के इन द मॉर्निंग जस्ट बिफोर आई कॉट माय फ्लाइट शी गिफ्टेड मी दिस. एंड
That's
Show them.
Can we
Lovely
just
though.
this is
Great
cool.
jacket.
it's actually hand painted.
Yeah, I
Lovely.
figured it's actually fabulous.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Fabulous.
I think और भी स्पेशल ये चीज है क्योंकि किसी ने बहुत प्यार से बनाया और दिया है. तो it मेरे लिए बहुत it's close to my heart because of that.
It's an emotional thing.
It's an emotional thing, yeah.
Fair enough. Okay.
Throwing it open to
questions
you.
to the press, please.
हाँ देखे हैं, और ऑनेस्टली आई फील वेरी हैप्पी जब मीम्स बनते हैं किसी भी प्रॉपर्टी को लेकर या किसी भी यूनिट को लेकर, क्योंकि ऐसे मुझे फीलिंग आती है कि एटलीस्ट इट्स अफेक्टेड पीपल इन सम वे दैट दे आर बॉदरिंग इनफ टू मेक मीम्स अबाउट इट. और मैंने कुछ पढ़े हैं, काफी फनी भी है, स्पेशली विद द ट्रेन शॉट, यू नो, बोर्ड एग्जाम्स वाला, और मैंने पढ़ा नहीं है एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. इट्स एक्चुअली क्वाइट फनी. I think it's a good thing.
There's one that when you're on a diet and मतलब when you're on a diet and when I'm running मेरे चेहरे पे पिज्जा है and then तुम ऐसे कर रही हो and then when you look back you see आदि and आदि के चेहरे पे एक बर्गर है. It's a salad and burger.
ओके एक और सवाल आपसे है. एक और सवाल आपसे ये कि फिल्म की स्टोरी को जो फिल्म की स्टोरी है दे आर सेइंग कि कहीं ना कहीं जो नॉवेल है व्हाट द बॉडी रिमेंबर्स शौना सिंह की काफी रिसेंबल करते हैं बिकॉज़ द कैरेक्टर नेम इज आल्सो देयर. मतलब रूप है, सत्या है एंड द स्टोरी लाइन इज आल्सो सिमिलर. सो व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दैट? मतलब वो भी बुक 90s की है एंड द बैकड्रॉप इज आल्सो सेम, मतलब प्री इंडिपेंडेंस के.
देखिए obviously see I have not read that book, I have no knowledge about that, but I don't think the premise is the same because जो हमारा actual premise है वो अब तक खुला नहीं है फिल्म में. जितना भी हम लोग ने अब तक दिखाया है आप लोगों को उसमें actual premise नहीं दिखाया. हाँ, there is a love story but the film is a lot more than that. बहुत सारे जो secrets है, राज है, वो सिर्फ 17 अप्रैल को खुलेगी. So I think जब लोग वो देखेंगे then they can make up their mind about that. But as far as I know, ये बहुत पहले से करण सर की कहानी थी जो उनको बनानी थी एंड जो कि मैंने बहुत साल पहले भी सुनी थी उनके मुंह से. So I don't know if about the character names and all that could be a coincidence.
But honestly, character names are always inspired ना. हर फिल्म में कोई राहुल, कोई राज, कोई
नहीं, बट और कोई इतना बेवकूफ नहीं होगा ना कि अगर वो कुछ किसी ने कुछ कॉपी करना भी चाहा तो वो नाम तो बदल देगा ना. वो क्यों सेम नाम क्यों रखेगा?
एग्जैक्टली.
तो नहीं, बट वो तो असल जिंदगी में भी बहुत लोग ऐसे हैं. मैं आपको मिला सकता हूँ.
check.
From the film industry, the film fraternity.
I've got good feedback. I've not spoken
You were
to too many
shooting
people.
in Goa
Yeah,
with
I've
a
been,
couple of friends. So
Yeah, all good feedback so far. Everyone thinks it's looking great. And they were actually after the teaser. Yeah, they wanted to. I think everyone was waiting for the trailer because they wanted to get more of a sense of. They felt intrigued by the teaser, but they wanted to see more about the story. And I think from whatever I'm hearing, I'm getting good feedback on the trailer as well.
You know, एक चीज मैं मानता हूँ. I mean, obviously it's a fraternity. सब लोग बहुत close है, but eventually जो matter करता है वो है audience. Everything else doesn't matter. जो audience को लगता है वो matter करता है, क्योंकि जो film fraternity है वो तो मतलब वो तो यूजुअली फ्री में पिक्चर देख लेती है. पहले जो टिकट खरीदना पड़ता है वो ऑडियंस को खरीदना पड़ता है. उनको अपना दे हैव टू स्पेंड देयर हार्ड अर्न मनी एंड गो एंड इन्वेस्ट दैट टू वॉच एंड बी एंटरटेन्ड. तो ऑडियंस से बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. जहाँ भी हम लोग जा रहे हैं तो हम मुझे मतलब जफ़र लोग बुला रहे हैं. तो वो बहुत प्यार मिल रहा है कैरेक्टर को. ट्रेलर को आदि को बहुत प्यार मिला है ट्रेलर को देख के. आई नो सो मेनी पीपल हैव टोल्ड मी. मेरे फैमिली से ही माई डैड हैज लव्ड आदि, माई ब्रदर्स लव्ड आदि इन द ट्रेलर. So I think that's the fraternity that I know.
Okay. Okay, so I have two questions only to ask. A is with Jaggu and Tarana. इतना धांसू लॉन्च जो आपका हुआ है इतने अच्छे स्टार्स के साथ में, पहले तो आपको कैसा लग रहा है, आप बताइए.
Firstly, though, we thought they were kidding when they said, you know, the Kalank team has agreed to launch the two of you, and we're like, really? And it's very exciting, and it's really lovely to be back. Mumbai is like, it's our heart, it's our soul, it's our city, and it's for everybody. I think ये हमारी like Janmbhoomi है, Karm Bhoomi है, and for everybody who goes away and comes back, you've come back, we've come back, and it feels like you never left, and you never feel like this anywhere else in the world. Like Mumbai, I'm actually ladki.
See, in about 2 hours, I will wake up and I will figure that this is a dream. I'll answer your question then. But yes, I mean, look at it. We could not have asked for more. It is absolutely fabulous.
Thank you, Ishq.
It's like starting on a high, and that's fantastic.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you
Okay,
so much.
my one more question is, please, I need to ask one.
जितना कद है उतना वॉल्यूम भी उठाओ आप. नहीं फॉल्स न्यूज.
Okay, मेरा question.
Fake news.
मेरा
9 days. I can't get you tickets.
But let the film release na first. मतलब already affect release तो.
No, I think हमारी picture, I think the box office has been very kind. People have been very kind. वो जाके फिल्में देख रहे हैं. हमारी फिल्म 9 दिन पहले आ रही है. Even internationally, we are getting a big release on that Friday, internationally also. So I think 9 days is a lot for Kalank to be seen and liked by people. और आजकल अगर फिल्म लोगों को पसंद आती है तो वो चलती है. So I think अगर लोगों को पसंद आती है कलंक तो वो चलती जाएगी. Obviously, there's enough screenplay space. दो फिल्में हैं, Avengers and then there's Kalank to run. And there's also going to be a merger between Fox and Disney. This is public news, so nobody should get angry with me. There's going to be a merger between them. Yeah, there's going to be a merger between them, so we will get screen space. We're not worried about that.
Okay, my question is to Varun and Alia. One question. Yeah, that is mine only. Okay, स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर से आपने अभी शुरुआत की है. राधा सॉन्ग सुपर हिट था एंड अभी रिसेंटली विल स्मिथ ने डांस किया है सेम राधा वर्जन रीमिक्स पे. आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? बिकॉज दैट वाज यस ही हैज डांस्ड ऑन द राधा रीमिक्स. विल स्मिथ
He's replaced you.
Yeah, he has.
I've not seen this.
He replaced you. First Karan tried for many years to replace you. Now Will Smith has replaced you.
But I've not seen this. That's so cool.
Is it? Varun, what would
I think it's awesome. Big Will is like I think we all have loved him, seen so many of his films, and the fact that such big Hollywood stars are coming here and realizing the power of our cinema over here and the reach and our songs. It's great. It just further shows how much Hindi cinema is growing, and हम लोग इतना कहते हैं कि you know we need to be like the West, we need to be like the West. मतलब हमारी मीडिया ही कहती है, but आप देख रहे हैं खुद कि West हमारे पास आ रहा है. तो इसलिए कलंक आ रही है 17 अप्रैल को, तो प्लीज आपकी पिक्चर है, इंडियन पिक्चर है, तो उसको सपोर्ट करो पहले.
थैंक यू. Thank you so much, media, for all your questions.